Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's been making headlines recently: why a majority of Americans are rejecting the COVID vaccine boosters. It's a situation that's raising eyebrows and sparking debates, so let's break it down. First off, let's talk numbers. According to a recent report by The Telegraph, over half of American adults are saying no to the latest COVID boosters. This is a significant drop from the initial vaccine uptake we saw at the start of the pandemic. But why is this happening? One big factor is vaccine fatigue. After multiple doses, many people feel exhausted by the constant need for new shots. They're questioning the necessity of getting yet another booster. And honestly, who can blame them? It's been a long and tiring journey. Another reason is misinformation. There's a lot of conflicting information out there about the effectiveness and necessity of these boosters. Some people are confused and skeptical, leading them to doubt whether they really need it. Social media, rumors, and even some news outlets have played a role in spreading this uncertainty. Trust issues also play a huge role. Many have lost trust in health authorities and pharmaceutical companies. The pandemic has been a roller coaster of changing guidelines and mixed messages, and for some, that's shaken their faith in the system. They're not convinced that the boosters are safe or effective. Economics can't be ignored either. Although the vaccines are often free, the time and effort required to get them aren't. People have busy lives, and for some, taking time off work or arranging childcare can be a big hurdle. They might think, is it worth the hassle? And let's not forget the perceived risk. The initial panic of the pandemic has faded for many. With fewer hospitalizations and deaths, some believe the threat of COVID isn't as severe anymore. This sense of reduced urgency makes people less inclined to get the booster. So, what does this mean going forward? Health authorities need to address these concerns head-on. Clear communication, addressing misinformation, and rebuilding trust are crucial. Making boosters more convenient and accessible could also help bridge this gap. In conclusion, the rejection of COVID boosters by a majority of Americans is a complex issue with multiple layers. It's not just about the vaccines themselves, but a combination of fatigue, misinformation, trust issues, economic factors, and perceived risk. Understanding these reasons is essential for crafting better public health strategies in the future. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. If you found this analysis interesting, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deep dives into current issues. Stay informed, stay safe, and see you in the next one.